I was asked to change this exhaust on an LMM, so I'll show you what I got. Nothing special up there. This is the first one. I just cut this here and flipped this to angle down, so it's kind of reverse of what it was. Otherwise, this bracket ended up back here and it just didn't fit very good. So this is where I changed the fit a little bit. Used a stainless steel clamp there. That's a 4-inch lap clamp. Ran the bend up over there. Normally it would be down here, but I didn't like that fit. Angled that one just a little bit. Seems to fit pretty good. Has a bit of clearance and support right there. The next thing I did was cut that brace, angled it up a little bit more so the pipe can run straighter, and that way the pipe stays above the frame. Otherwise that looped piece ends up hanging down. That one stayed the same. Muffler's back here. And the rest of it back here is pretty normal. This is the MBRP S6004P.